Achieving responsive design with Center and SizedBox. Combining the Center and SizedBox widgets enables developers to achieve responsive design in Flutter applications by dynamically adjusting the size and position of widgets within a center and utilizing SizedBox for controlled spacing. Developers can create layouts that adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes and orientations. Iconography for enhanced user experience. Icons play a crucial role in user experience, providing visual cues and enhancing the overall usability of an application. The icon widget, with its customizable attributes, empowers developers to implement intuitive and visually appealing iconography, contributing to a more user-friendly and engaging interface. ColoredBox for consistent theming. Consistent theming is a hallmark of well-designed applications, and the ColoredBox widget supports this by allowing developers to encapsulate widgets in colored boxes. This not only aids in theming consistency, but also provides a straightforward approach to visually categorizing and styling different sections of an application. Using SizedBox for responsive padding. In responsive design, proper spacing is crucial for a clean and readable interface. The SizedBox widget shines in this aspect, allowing developers to add responsive padding around widgets, ensuring a visually balanced layout that adapts gracefully to various screen sizes and orientations. A unified approach with Center, Icon, ColoredBox, and SizedBox. In conclusion, the Center, Icon, ColoredBox, and SizedBox widgets in Flutter offer developers a powerful toolkit for crafting visually appealing, responsive, and well-organized user interfaces. Whether aligning content, incorporating icons, introducing vibrant colors, or managing spacing, these widgets work together seamlessly to bring versatility and efficiency to Flutter application development, fostering a delightful user experience. Introduction to Flutter widgets. Flutter, Google's open-source UI toolkit, boasts a rich set of widgets that form the building blocks of its visually stunning applications. Among these, the Center, Icon, ColoredBox, and SizedBox widgets stand out as fundamental elements, each contributing to the overall structure, styling, and layout of a Flutter application. The versatility of the Center widget. The Center widget in Flutter serves a pivotal role in layout design by placing its child widget at the center of the available space. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it an essential tool for achieving symmetrically centered UI elements, providing developers with a straightforward solution for aligning content in both horizontal and vertical dimensions. Adding visual elements with the icon widget. The icon widget is a key player in Flutter's arsenal, allowing developers to integrate a wide array of icons into their applications. From material icons to custom-designed symbols, the icon widget offers flexibility in enhancing visual appeal and conveying information through easily recognizable graphical elements. Styling and theming with ColoredBox. When it comes to introducing vibrant and visually appealing colors to a Flutter application, the ColoredBox widget takes the stage. This widget allows developers to wrap their child widgets in a colored box, enabling seamless integration of color schemes, theming, and dynamic color changes to enhance the overall aesthetics of the user interface. Creating space with SizedBox. The SizedBox widget is a versatile tool for managing the dimensions of widgets within a Flutter layout. Developers can use it to set fixed dimensions or create space between widgets, ensuring precise control over the layout spacing and contributing to a polished and well-organized user interface. Dynamic layouts with Center and SizedBox. The Center and SizedBox widgets become dynamic layout partners, enabling developers to create adaptive designs that respond to user interactions. By combining the centered placement capabilities of the Center widget with the controlled spacing offered by SizedBox, developers can build layouts that adjust based on user actions, providing an interactive and user-centric experience. Elevating user interface with Icon and ColoredBox. The Icon and ColoredBox widgets collaborate to elevate the visual appeal of Flutter applications. Icons bring clarity and symbolism, enhancing the user interface's communicative power, while the ColoredBox widget serves as a canvas for dynamic and expressive color combinations, allowing developers to create visually stunning and memorable designs. Theming flexibility with Icon and ColoredBox. Both the icon and ColoredBox widgets play a crucial role in theming flexibility. Developers can easily adapt the application's color palette and iconography by leveraging the customizable attributes of these widgets. This theming flexibility ensures that Flutter applications can effortlessly align with branding guidelines or undergo seasonal visual updates, creating artistic designs with icon and ColoredBox. The icon and ColoredBox widgets are not merely functional, but also serve as tools for artistic expression in Flutter design. Developers can unleash creativity by combining various icons and colors, turning the user interface into a canvas where each icon and ColoredBox contributes to a visually harmonious and aesthetically pleasing composition. Precision in UI. Crafting with SizedBox. SizedBox provides developers with a precise mechanism for controlling the dimensions of widgets, contributing to a meticulously crafted user interface. Whether adjusting the height and width of components or creating uniform spacing, the SizedBox widget ensures that developers can maintain control over the visual aspects of their applications with pixel-level precision. Responsive design patterns with Center and SizedBox. In responsive design, the Center and SizedBox widgets prove invaluable for implementing flexible layouts. Developers can employ these widgets to create adaptive designs that gracefully respond to changes in screen size, ensuring that the user interface remains visually appealing and functional across a spectrum of devices. ColoredBox for semantic color. Coding beyond visual aesthetics, the ColoredBox widget aids in semantic color coding. Developers can use different colors to convey meaning or categorize content, providing users with subtle visual cues that enhance comprehension and navigation within the application. Streamlining UI elements with icon and sized. The combination of the icon and SizedBox widgets allows for streamlined UI elements. Icons can be efficiently spaced using SizedBox, ensuring a balanced and organized layout. This synergy is particularly beneficial when dealing with icon sets representing actions, features, or categories within the application. Whitespace management with SizedBox. Whitespace is a crucial design element for enhancing readability and visual clarity. SizedBox, with its ability to control spacing, becomes an indispensable tool for managing whitespace in Flutter applications. Developers can create aesthetically pleasing interfaces by strategically implementing SizedBox to control the spacing between various UI elements. Efficient layout composition with Center, Icon, ColoredBox, and SizedBox. In summary, the Center, Icon, ColoredBox, and SizedBox widgets in Flutter synergize to facilitate efficient layout composition, dynamic responsiveness, and visually captivating designs. Their versatility allows developers to create applications that not only meet functional requirements, but also deliver exceptional user experiences through thoughtful and visually engaging design elements.